Hi, we will present the topic Industrial Robots and Robots Cells. We are the team for members. I am Diego Arturo, Jesus Maldonado, and Oyuki Saldivar.
Introduction to industrial robots. Industrial robots have become a key part of modern manufacturing, and they help scripts explain accuracies and safety protection lines. We can find in industries such as automotive, electronics, food, and packaging. Next, what is an industrial robot? An industrial robot, programmable machine that can move materials, parts, parts or tools automatically. It can perform repetitive or the inherent takes with high depressions. According to Heights E 1370, an industrial robot has three or more control asked and can be fixed modified and simply words its programmable mechanism that works automatically. Next, key components and industrial robots have several main parts. First manipulator or robot arms, which allows movement, and second, and the effector, the tool intended for a gun split, gripper or winching thumbs. Third, the control, which is robot brain, and a funneling sensors which should help the robot detect position for an object around it. Next, there several types of industrial robots. Fierce and articulate robot has several rotators similar to human arm. It's used for welding, painting, assemble. As second, the scarred robot, which moves mainly in the horizontal plane, and in the perfect for funds and precise and stable operations. Next, tier the cartesian robot, also known as a country robot, I moved along the gets wide and as a kit, great for counting and then 3 print. Finally, the robot, uh, 3 milli fats and lightweight user pack, packaging and food adding.
It's a robotic cells and we testing it. A robotic cells is a self-container integrated workstation where one or more industrial robots perform a specific automated task within a manufacturing or productive environment. Robotic cells are need to automate repetitive or hazardous process, increase the productivity, improve the product quality and consistency, and reduce the risks to human operation. The next, please. Continuous components of a robot cells. Robots, the core element executing tasks, software system includes physical facing like containers, sensors, and devices to protect personnel. Peripherals, talking fields, cameras, vision and monitoring systems, PLC, programmable logic controller. The next, please. The continuous software system is robotic cells, physical fencing, and lighting curtains. Physical fencing, barriers or enclosures around the robot cell prevents personnel from entering dangerous zones, while robots are operating, proving essential safely. Like curtains, electronic cipher device generates a light field. If a beam is interrupted, the robot stop immediately to protect the operation. The next, please. Uh, Safari scanners and maps. Safari scanners, laser-based system that detects the presence of peoples in hard-to zones. Safari maps, pressure-sensitive surfaces, please and trace, stepping on white triggers and emergency stop of the robots. The next, please.
Applications, automotive and food. Automotive industry. Welding dominating application, high precision, spot and arc welding on chassis, fighting uniform application in controlled bots, removing toxic risk for humans. Assembly, handling heavy parts, engines, doors. Food industry. Packaging, place, high-speed robots, Delta Scara for handling delicate products, fruit and cookies. Biosensing, fast and stable static of box or bags at the end of line. Application electronics and logistics. Electronics industry. Precision assembly, case task, SCAR robots inserting microcomponents onto circuit boards, testing, automated and repetitive quality verification of device. Logistics. Sorting, high-speed code reading to diverse page and to take a correct route and picking, order, fulfillment and by selecting products from shelves. Advantage. Productivity. Uh, Operation without fatigue, faster and more consistent work and cycles than humans. Safety removes the need for humans to perform 3D tasks and do dirty and dangerous, reducing accidents, holding loads, thermic welding, and quality and consequency. High repeatedly executes the task exactly the same way thousands of times, drastically reduce error, defects, and material. Disadvantage and change. Initial investment rate. High cost of the acquisition, integration, app safety, priority pairs, fencing, scanners. Significant barrier to entry for small and medium-sized enterprise SMEs. Labor displacement. Inability, substitution of repetitive manual tasks, create or argument need for workforce, rethink, upskilling. Complexity, the basic of the specialty technical staff for programming, configuration, and maintenance.
In conclusions, industrial robots and robotic cells mark a key advance in modern manufacturing, offering increased productivity, quality, and workflow safely. Their diverse types and modular components allow for flexible automation across different industries such as automotive, food, electronics, and logistics. While robots reduce the human exposed to repetitive hazardous tasks, the adoption the technologies presents changed like the initial investment and workforce displacement. Next, this reference and use it in the presentation. Finally, that's from use.